Hey gang, puppy. This is Sherline Milling Machine DRO install project. Report 6. I believe it's 6. I'm getting out into the shop tonight to manufacture the last part to fully stabilize the mounting of my DRO reader units and bars on my milling machine. In the first 5 of this series, I didn't show a bunch of machining. Six is going to be a whole lot different because I'm going to show you machining the last part I make to hold my DROs in place. I don't care how long it takes. If I have to chop it up into 17 parts showing you making this one last part, I'm gonna. Long format machining, get ready, is coming at you. And in the next video in this series, Sherline Milling Machine DRO install project, we're going to be the money shot. Drag it in here. Let you watch all 3 readouts changing numbers as me and my wife are turning hand wheels. Hey gang, I just came back in from the shop after some of the black plastic I was machining. Just came back in from the shop after filming, recording, machining the last part of my DRO install project on my Sherline milling machine. I'm transferring it to a flash drive from the other computer. I recorded on a different computer, so if the picture looks different, sound is different, that's why. Unfortunately, that other computer does not like my POV cam. It just does not like it. Will not accept image from it. I don't know what to do until I get money and I can afford a camera that it likes. Oh well. If you like what you see in this DRO install, comment down here. Say, hey, that's nice. You want to support me? Great. Comment. Tell me how. We'll arrange for it to happen. I thought I had some funding. That's why I went gung-ho and did a whole bunch of stuff in the last 5 months, I think. Well, that was my beer and potato chip money. I thought I'd have funding, but nope. Nope. So, if any of y'all feel generous with the ducats, comment. Let me know. Anyway, I'm gonna go now.